1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Car rides to Malibu, strawberry ice cream. 1 spoon for 2 and trading jackets, laughing about how small it looks on you. Watching reruns of Glee, being annoying, singing in harmony. I bet she's bragging to all her friends, saying you're so unique. So when you're gonna tell her that we did that too? She thinks it's special, but it's all reused. That was our place, I found it first. I made the jokes, you tell to her when she's with you. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Oh, do you get deja vu? Do you call her, almost say my name? 'Cause let's be honest, we kinda do sound the same. Another actress. I hate to think that I was just your type. I bet that she knows Billy Joe, 'cause you played her Uptown Girl. You're singing it together now. I bet you even tell her how you love her in between the chorus and the verse. So when you're gonna tell her that we did that too? She thinks it's special, but it's all reused. That was the show we talked about. You played the songs she's singing now when she's with you. Do you get deja vu when she's with you? Do you get deja vu? Oh, do you get deja vu? Strawberry ice cream in Malibu. Don't act like we didn't do that too. You're trading jackets like we used to do. Yeah, everything is all reused. Play her piano, but she doesn't know that I was the one who taught you Billy Joe. A different girl now, but there's nothing new. I know you get deja vu. I know you get deja vu. I know you get deja vu.